My vision is to unite the three big sectors of government, industry, and academia, as well as the various non-for-profits, bring them together around the world, internationally, to exchange knowledge, best practices, and an ongoing dialogue for advancing modern methods of construction.
The place that we need to change, I think, not only in the US, but also here in the UK and in Scotland, is addressing what I call the contextual factors that impact the uptake and use of offsite construction. Those would be regulatory policy, finance, workforce, business. In as much as the technology of offsite construction is something that is developing, those are the major barriers, those contextual barriers. And overcoming those together, US and UK and partners around the world, is really what I think is the future of offsite.
So it looks like we have great industry representation here, and they're learning a lot about how we can automate the construction field. HUD, for our part, we're trying to learn and put out policy and put out information about manufactured housing and how it can work. And hopefully from this particular project, we will have some resources available to manufacturers in the US, and not only manufacturers, but construction companies and builders.
Well, I think the sector in offsite construction working together is not just, offsite manufacturers or the supply chain of architects, engineers, those who manufacture and those who build. It's also the government, it's also universities, it's those key constituent stakeholders that together can advance the industry. I think best, and I think the Scottish context is an exemplary partner in that, because they've really figured out a lot of those partnerships, and we're trying to emulate that in the US towards more innovation in housing.